kung may Froza Glutapure 4-in-1, meron din siyang Froza Vitamin C version to strengthen our immune system. Kaya papasa nga ba siya ulit sa Betadine testing itong product from Cylend? Hi there, my name is Anthony, and sa third series, Thai Series 2 is for itong Froza Vitamin C with acerola extract, ascorbic acid, zinc, vitamins A, and vitamins E, o vitamins A and E, I should say. Tapos, yung version niya na vlog ko dati, itong Froza Glutapure. And, ayan, pumasa din siya sa Betadine testing. And, hindi natin alam, tignan natin dito sa Froza Vitamin C kung papasa din siya sa Betadine testing. And once again, the standard price for 1 pack of 60 capsules is 450 pesos. Pwedeng 400, pwedeng 350, but 450 pesos na lang para yun yung standard na price. And makikita niyo siya sa mga various selling websites such as sa Lazada and sa Shopee. And ipe-press ko or ipapakita ko yung link below dito sa description box, ang link kung saan kayo mag-order ng Froza Vitamin C Plus. And now, we will be showing you yung mga contents niya, but yung papakita ko kasi mamaya dito, ayan o, yung mga ibang contents niya andito lang but wala siya dito, such as yung vitamin E and vitamin A. And ano pa yung isa? Yung acerola extract. Ayan. So, hindi lang siya nakalagay dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na ilalagay lahat ng mga ingredients. Which is yung issue sa mga ibang ganito na may mga nakalagay dito na contents but sa likod hindi. Pero, okay naman siya, effective, and at least pumapasa sa mga Betadine testing. And now, we will have a closer look sa product na ito. I-flip ko lang itong camera para makikita natin yung kabuuan ng itsura ng product na ito. Ito na ngayon yung pang third in my Thai vlog series, yung part 3. So here comes Froza Vitamin C Plus, and we have here vitamin C, zinc, acerola extract, tapos vitamin E, and vitamin A. So yung cover is obviously in orange color. Tapos, ayan, Froza Vitamin C, yung pangalan niya. And once again, meron siyang Korean na character, which is I cannot understand kung ano yan. And then, sa baba, ayan, a Thai product din siya with 60 capsules. So, it is a dietary supplement product, but no therapeutic claims. Hindi po siya nakakagamot. It doesn't have a direct na treatment for certain diseases, pero it will help improve your health's immunity. So, in here, we have yung 4 other ingredients. We have here yung ascorbic acid, 200 milligrams, collagen peptide, 200 milligrams, glutathione, which is medyo mababa lang siya, 60 milligrams, and zinc amino acid, another immune booster, 40 milligrams. So, ayan, ito na yung sinasabi ko na Thai character. So, which is I cannot really understand. But here, yung direction niya, orally 1 to 2 capsules once. Yung mga pag ano niya, after waking up or before bedtime. O, diba? And then, ayan, hindi ko na talaga siya maintindihan dito, but yung manufacture date niya was last nung June 22, 2020, and then it will expire next year, June 22. O yan, June 22, 2020. Yan po. And now, we're going to cut. Ayan, ito yung ziplock niya. This is the ziplock, and ikakat mo yung dito sa top ng Froza. So, we're going to cut it. And i-flip na natin itong camera para makita natin. Tapos, iti-test natin yan, Betadine, and ito yung gagamitin natin pang test sa Betadine. Okay, so are you ready? So in this part of the vlog, we will be demonstrating and performing a test. So, ang unang-una sa lahat is to perform, ayan, yung inspection, tapos aamuyin natin, tapos tignan natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng mga capsule. And, gaya ng sinasabi ko, dapat gumamit kayo ng scissor or cutter para malinis yung pagka-cut dito. Hindi yung inaano nyo, pinupunit nyo. Because if you're going to pull it, you might destroy the ziplock. That's why, mas maganda na gumamit ng scissor or cutter. Ayan. Tapos, this vlog intends to show you kung gaano ka-effective, kung gaano ka-legit ang mga products bago kayo mag-try. So, yun po, gagamit po tayo ng, ayan, betadine test. And malay nyo, gagamit pa tayo ng ibang test. So, i-open na natin itong product na ito. So, i-cut na natin. Make sure straight line siya. Huwag yung jagged na pag-cut. But I'm not going to cut it in full. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, ayan, ito yung ziplock. Make sure not to cut the ziplock. So, it's the capsule, the color of capsules are all orange because this is based from citrus extract. So, ascorbic acid yung content ng vitamin C, hindi sodium ascorbate. That's why I advise you to take this after meals, hindi siya before meals kasi may mga ibang tao na meron gastritis. So, baka it could cause this spasm, gastric spasm dahil nga ascorbic acid po siya. And now, aamuyin natin siya. Ayan, siniksik ko talaga yung ilong ko. Wala siyang amoy. But may konting hint na naamoy ako. Konti lang. Parang yung citrus. Ayun, yung citrus. Pero very minimal lang yung amoy niya. But then, we're going to perform betadine testing. So, this is the capsule. So, this will be used for the betadine testing. Ito yung betadine solution na gagamitin natin. But this one, of course, is the drinking water. So, isa-set aside natin yan. Yan. And then, magpo-pour muna tayo ng betadine. So, mauubos ang betadine ko dito sa kaka-betadine test because we will still have 9 more to go. 9 Thai products to go until April 1 or April 2. So, ayan. Parang pinapakita ko dati. Kahit konti lang na betadine, hindi necessarily na more betadine. Tsaka, para mas tipid. Makakatipid ako, hindi siya agad mauubos. So, ayan. Small cup siya and makikita nyo na, medyo naparami ata yung nilagay ko na betadine. So, ang gagawin natin is, we will pour this one. So, ipupour natin ang capsule. So, i-open natin. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Yung standard capsule, hindi siya masyadong malaki, but it is like this. It looks like that. And, i-open natin. Kagaya ng, ayun. So, madali siyang i-open this time. And, so, ayan. Here it is. Ayan yung powder. Tignan natin kung betadine testing. So, tignan natin kung kaya niyang. So, nakikita nyo, medyo, ayan, medyo nag-white ulit. So, i-try natin i-mix itong Froza Vitamin C. Medyo slowly nag-settle. So, mahirap siya mag-settle. And let's try to mix it. Ayan. So, o diba, medyo mabagal yung reaction niya. But, makikita nyo, nawawala siya ng konti. At nag-clear siya. O diba? And, dito mo talaga matitest na talagang legit ang product ko. Kaya, since nag-effect talaga siya sa betadine testing, we will now take this product. So, as in, very legit. You will really determine na legit ang isang product kapag talagang pumasa siya sa mga various tests, which is yung betadine test na isa sa mga pinaka-reliable test kung madidetermine mo talaga if effective ang isang product. Hindi siya fake. Ayan, kung legit talaga yung isang products. That's why, ayan, iti-take natin to, i-determine natin yung taste niya, kung may taste nga ba. Kasi wala masyadong amoy, o konti lang yung scent ng citrus scent. And, wala siyang lasa. So, it is very, parang natural siya. Natural ang product na ito. And, nakapagtaka lang, wala siyang lasa talaga. I'm very surprised. But then, syempre, kapag organic material din yung mga ginamit sa mga ibang products, dun mo din madidetermine na yung company na to wants to make sure na walang distracting taste, walang gaanong way na makakapag-discourage ang isang consumer sa isang product. So, that's why, of course, may kanya-kanyang style in order for a company to allow consumers to test and determine the authenticity of the product, in which na-try din natin na pumasa siya sa betadine testing. So, ayan. Once again, Froza Vitamin C. And I should say na I can really recommend this one because I'm a healthcare worker, since this product is medyo okay din, acceptable yung kanyang vitamin C content, tapos meron siyang zinc. This is really helpful for boosting our immune system. Lalong-lalo na if we are now experiencing a third surge in COVID-19. Kaya importante talaga na ipa-strengthen natin ang immune system natin for us to prevent any risk of being infected with the virus and other flu-like virus na nakakapag-weaken ng immune system natin. So, if you want more product like this na i-review ko, so meron pa tayong 9 products to review. So, subscribe my YouTube channels, The Star of Anthony and The Star of Anthony Vlogs, kasi marami pa po tayong i-review. And if you have any questions, suggestions, feedbacks, or reaction, mag-comment down below lang kayo dyan. And reach me up in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, hanggang dito na lamang po. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Keep safe and wag maging pasaway.